Hi, today we are going to see the 15th stotra. Logadhyaksha Suradhyaksho Dharmadhyaksha Krida Kridaha Chaduratma Chadurvyuha Chadurdamstrat Chadurbhujaha. The first one is Logadhyaksha. Logadhyaksha means, Logam means universe. Dhyaksha means who is using the eyes to view it. That is, he is witnessing the whole universe. That is, the universe consists of all the logas. And he is the supreme Purusha in the body. That is, he is existing in the body as a soul. And he is considered to be the spectator. That means whenever we do something, we think twice and we have the inner voice. And he is the permitter. Only we have the full mind, we try to do it. And he is the supporter. That means when you feel like doing that, yes comes in our mind. And he is the enjoyer. We feel that anandam or the enjoyment or the happiness once you fulfill the target, that happiness. And he is all the great Lord that is existing in our mind as a soul. That is, Lord presides all the activities and he never interferes in any freedom of individual. That is, our thoughts are given a special freedom that is decided by us, but he will try to guide in the dharma path. Suradhyaksha, that is, he is the Bhagavan he is the power who is protecting the divinity. Divinity means the dharma that is that has to be followed in all the regions, in all the logas, in all the universe. And he is considered to be the president of heaven. Why is the president of the heaven? Because president has all the power to control everything. And when devas are threatened at the time when the Daityas and Asuras are coming and hurting them, they all run to the Bhagavan for help. So he is the Suradhyaksha. He is the president of heaven who is protecting everybody in following the Dharma. Dharmadhyaksha. He is the power who is trying to make things in the dharma path, and when someone is going to adharma and which is the wrong path, he will try to make them understand and bring them to the dharma path, or they have to take different janmas to come under the dharma path. And he is the president who is controlling the activities of all the organisms. And he is illuminating or he is brightening the nature and function of dharma, because always the dharma wins. And he is controlling our mind, body, and he is using the intellect or the knowledge to control the mind and the body. And power who is doing that to protect the dharma is called Dharmadhyaksha. Krita Krita means one who is doing the effect and non-effect. Krita means once the task is done, and Akrita means the cause or the effect that is happening from the act that we have already done. Or we can say that Krita is the Vyaktam, or we had done something, and Akritam is the Avyaktam, or the soul is trying to understand the difference between the effect and cause and effect. And it can be done if we do not have the proper knowledge, it cannot be understandable to the per individual. So at that time we should know the knowledge of Bhagavan, the power we should understand properly. Chaduratma. Chaturatma means he is the power. That we can say that Bhagavan has created Brahma to for all the creations that has to be happen in the universe. And he has come from the Nabhi of Bhagavan and who is staying in the lotus. And he is sustaining all the creations that is done by Brahma. And he is also taken the form from the Netti or forehead. From there he has created the Rudra or the Shiva Bhagavan to do the dissolution when it is required. And he is controlling all the three powers to get the peace on the universe. Chadur Vyuha, that is Bhagavan has taken all the four manifestation that is called, one is Vasudeva, another is Samkarshana, next is Pradyumna, and fourth is Aniruddha. And these four Vyuhas have done. Vyuha means the power or the truth or the real soul that is created to follow the dharma, and that is called Chadur means four. Vyuha means the truth or the power, and these are the four Vyuha. And Chadur Damshtra. Damshtra is the canine teeth that is the upper or lower that is fully formed. That we can see in the Narasimha Avadara to protect the Prahlada. And we can also see that in the Indra Bhagavan, he has the elephant, white elephant, that is called Airavadam. He has four tusks. That is also Damshtra of elephant. That is Dharma Chadur Damshtra. And that is also the Bhagavan Vishnu. Next is Chadur Bhuja. Whenever you see Bhagavan Vishnu, he has four hands. Four hands. One is the Shankh, another is Chakra, the another one is Gada, and another one is the lotus. And the four things that is interpreting the right path, that is the Shankh. Shankh is given. It is also known as the Panchajanya Shankh that was used in the Mahabharata. And here he is using for the path of peace and perfection and to get the dharma done. And he is using the intellect or knowledge for that. And Chakra. Chakra is the mind that keeps rotating and that keeps thinking. And he is given the ideas for dharma through the chakra. And Mace. Mace means the ego that we have. Okay, so I, me, myself, that kind of ego, he is trying to take it away. And the lotus. Lotus is the a symbol where he is blessing all the person who is following the dharma. That is why we can see with the Chadur Bhuja. So here we are seeing Lokadyaksha, Suradyaksha, Dharmadyaksha, Kridakrida, Chaduratma, Chadurvyuha, Chadurdamshtra, Chadurbhuja. So it is 8 names here, and we will be reaching the 140 names of Bhagavan. So the 15th stotram. Logadyaksha Suradyaksho Dharmadyaksha Kridakrida Chaduratma Chadurvyuha Chadurdamshtra Chadurbhujaha.